Hello, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video is how to see who viewed my Instagram profile. So first thing to do is open up your Instagram app. Then in the lower right part of the screen, tap on your profile photo. Tap on the three lines on the upper right corner. Go to settings. Press account. Then you have to switch your account to professional account. Then just press continue. Then you will just fill up this one. Then you can just go back to here later. As you can see, there is a professional dashboard. So you can take a look with that one. And here it shows you all the statistics that your account has reached. So you can press this one. And you can change this one to the days you wanted to see. For example, for 7 days. And here's the overview. That account reach, account engaged, and total followers within the 7 days. You can also see the content you've shared, and you can press this one. And the reach audience, it shows you the followers, non-followers, content reach, and account engaged. You can also explore this one because this one shows a lot of things. So that's how to see who viewed your Instagram profile. I hope that you learned something. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like.